Welcome back to LITEFAR. Last year, we launched our first product, Orion. In just 1 month, it became the most funded wagon product in Kickstarter's history, a milestone made possible only by the incredible support of our backers. We are truly grateful to each and every one of you. Today, we are excited to take the next step in our journey with the launch of our latest innovation, the H1 Smart Wagon. To my left, we have the original Orion, and on my right, the upgraded H1. We've made significant improvements in both functionality and design. Now, let's dive in and take a closer look at what's new with the H1.
First, let's take a look at the basic info of the LITEFAR H1. When it's folded, it measures 12 by 10 by 32 inches, super compact and easy to store. Open it up and it expands to 37 by 24 by 39 inches. The actual cargo space measures 88 by 45 by 36 centimeters, offering a total capacity of 140 liters. Thanks to its strong aluminum frame, it can carry up to 90 kilos with ease. It's super easy to fold and unfold. You can set it up in just a few seconds. The H1 weighs about 18 kilos including the battery. Lightweight yet sturdy enough to meet outdoor needs. Alright, now let's move on to how to use it. First, insert the A24 battery into the pillar, and then plug the A4 battery into the handle. Next, pairing. If you got the H1 only, you can skip this part. It's already paired before shipping. But if you bought the Orion first and later added the H1 Smart handle, check out this video to learn how to pair them. To start pairing, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until you hear a beep. When one light turns red and the other turns green, that means the wagon is now in pairing mode. Next, press the handle button once to turn it on. While it's on, press and hold the same button for 5 seconds. When the indicator turns red, that means the handle is now in pairing mode. Once the wagon stops beeping and the handle lights turn green, you are all set. Pairing is complete. Now, let's get to know the H1 Smart handle. There are 4 buttons in total. The first one is the power button on the front. The second is the start button, located right underneath the handle. The third is the thumb wheel on the side, and the fourth is the cruise button, positioned on the back of the handle. When cruise mode is off, hold the start button and use the thumb wheel to set your preferred speed. Tips: for safety reasons, always make sure the speed is set to 0 before and after use. There are 4 speed levels to match your pace, and the top speed is around 2 meters per second on flat surface. Depending on the surface and different scenarios, the H1 can easily handle your daily outdoor needs. In addition, the wagon also features an auto stop function. When cruise mode is off, it automatically stops as soon as you release the start button. However, when the wagon is powered on and the start button is released, manually pushing it may feel difficult because the motor wheels applies resistance. If you need to move or pull the wagon manually, for example to reposition or reverse it, simply set the speed to 0 and press the start button while operating, or you can just turn it off. Moreover, the H1 is equipped with a cruise control function, allowing the wagon to keep moving at a constant speed without holding down the start button. Just switch the cruise button to the on position and adjust the thumb wheel to your desired speed. The wagon will move automatically. Likewise, when the cruise button is switched off, the wagon will stop automatically. Now, let's talk about the battery system. The A24 battery has been fully upgraded with high-quality EVE cells. Together with regenerative braking, it now delivers an extended range of up to 12 kilometers, which is 7.5 miles on a single charge. For longer trips, you can bring an extra battery to extend the travel distance even further. The A24 battery can also be used as a portable power bank to charge mobile phones and other electronic devices. It supports a combined maximum output of 130 watts, so you can stay powered up wherever you go. Meanwhile, the A4 battery can also be replaced or swapped as needed. With a 4000 mAh capacity and a compact, lightweight design, it fits easily in your pocket and doubles as a handy everyday power bank. The handle also features an anti-jolt design, so even when vibrations occur, the A4 battery stays securely in place. The wagon comes with a telescopic ambient light that can be activated by touch control. It supports height adjustment and rotation, providing warm, steady illumination wherever you need it, perfect for evening gatherings or campsite setups. Now that we've covered the main functions, let's take a closer look at other design details. The wagon uses durable Teslin mesh fabric, a material that is washable, quick-drying, and lightweight. Even if your drinks spill on the wagon, it drains quickly. There are 2 front pockets that let you keep essentials like battery, bottle, or small gears within easy reach. We've also upgraded to a lockable anti-slip zipper, which prevents it from loosening or detaching easily. A support block has been added to the handle rod to prevent it from slipping during use, ensuring greater stability and a more comfortable grip. In addition, the ergonomic handle design positions the cruise button and thumb wheel for easier reach, allowing smooth one-handed control. For better safety, the improved foot brake ensures the wagon stays firmly in place wherever you stop. Lastly, the modular handle design allows for easy handle replacement, making maintenance and future upgrades simple and convenient. Every small detail has been thoughtfully refined, from grip to gear. Every upgrade makes your outdoor journey smarter, safer, and more enjoyable. Alright, that's all for the LITEFAR H1 introduction video. If you are interested in this wagon, don't forget to click the link below. We are now live on Kickstarter, and it's the best time to get the lowest price. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.